Your email list is going to help you make $1 per email per month. For example, if you have an email list of about 500 people, you could potentially make $500 every single month. Now, I know what you're already thinking. I don't know what an email list, and I have no idea how to build an email list or even how to use an email list. Look, for right now, don't even think about that. I just want you to think about the email list, and I want you to start thinking about these 3 steps. All right, so if we go back to step number 1 and we start thinking about that magic number we need to hit, for example, we need to make $10,000 a month, then now we can be thinking about step number 2. Therefore, thinking about the formula I just gave you, if I want to make $10,000 every single month, I'm going to need about 10,000 subscribers to my email list. Because if I have 10,000 subscribers on my email list, I'm going to be able to leave my 9-to-5 job because I'm making $10,000 per month from each subscriber. Now, of course, the formula I just gave you isn't 100% accurate. You might be needing a whole lot more. You might need to make a lot more per email per month, but $1 per email is basically about the average. So this leads me to step number 3. What do we actually do with these emails? Well, what we're going to do with this email list, we're going to start promoting multiple offers, and we're going to start promoting offer number 1.